Hey, Thailand Tom here, Sawadee Krap. I want to start by saying thank you to everybody. We are so humbled that so many of you want to look at our videos and see what we are doing in our regular day-to-day life with our house, our garden, our fish, the cats, cooking, our road trips and everything we are up to. We just reached or passed 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. We really appreciate all of you, and please comment on the videos. Feel free to ask any questions, whatever you want. See you soon. Thailand Tom here. Time to get some more soil. DJ. It's a never-ending project. I'm going to fill this up. This area here, fill it up just like we've done with this part, and that's just to start with, and then we have to replant everything. It would be nice. Okay, so we get the second square ready today. Very good, and then we're going to update these ones here as well. And here is Kitty. Kitty. Meow. We have Mr. Turtle here. Okay, so here we are. Planted or replanted this is some tomato plants, as far as I understand. And this is going to be here we have some paprika. That is, I'm not sure what you're going to plant in this area. But see, it's getting somewhere already. It's really hard though with all this heat we have now. So hot. It's like 38 degrees right now. Okay, looking good. Who are you talking to? Wow. You talk to me? Yeah. You want to come? I know, but you can stay there now. Okay. This is nice. Some spring onion, or chives, he's called in America. That's nice.